Playing MM2 with my cousin. It's this guy. XX the baby. I was murderer 2 times, but I lost. Ino! I saw your Ino too. Yes, he's not murd. He's Ino, like me. Whoever's following me, they're murd. Look, it's him.
7.
It's him. It's him. Look, it's him. I follow him.
Are you playing?
Yes. Sino murd? Akala ko nandito na ang murd. Wag bitay mo na ako. So,
Bro! You're in!
bro, that's easy. Shoot him. Bro,
You're in!
that's easy. Shoot him right now. Spam jumper.
Huh?
Bro, shoot him right now.
Bro, nice!
Good job, bro. Good job. When are we gonna vote now? Okay, house. No. Hotel. Hotel is better. Fine, house. Ow, where's smacking me? Okay, fine, hotel.
How?
Okay, fine, house.
Bad!
Fine, hotel.
House!
Very too late. I'm hiding. Yeah, okay, dang it. They're on
Good! Good, get it, good!
Sheriff, I'm just kidding. I'm innocent. Oh, you're innocent. All good. You're innocent. I'll be following you.
Yo.
Oh! I know who's murd.
Sino?
Is that skinny guy?
Yo.
Skinny guy.
Cannot do it, no. Cannot do it.
Robot siya.
Ay.
Pero patay.
How did he die? It's just over. Give me the back. Give me the back.
I'm out.
Back.
I'm out. Am I safe? Oh, okay. I'm still safe. Uy.
Yes.
Di mo ako mapapatay.
Hindi ako napapatay.
Di mo ako mapapatay. Dahil invincible ako. Joke lang.
Ano? Nasa attic?
Imagine na nandyan siya. I'll go din. Bro! He's there!
Nice.
Good job, bro! Good job! One shot lang. Tapos
Okay.
nakuha niya. Tapos ang last share 50 times. Grabe naman. GG. Bro, it's not even amazing. Prediction. You're sheriff, I'm innocent. It is my prediction. You're sheriff, I'm innocent. Ito na. My prediction is fake. Let's go.
Messi. Ronaldo.
No, Ronaldo's better. I'm following my cousin.
Oh.
Bro, I'm not murd. Ang sabihin ang role mo. Matatarget ka agad. Dito talaga. Dito. Tulong! Good one, bro. Good one.
I died.
We both died. I died. Ano?
Gagawin ako.
Gagawin ka? Sige.
Mag-sheriff.
Spell sheriff
Kunwari,
right, not sheriff.
Panapatay ka ba? Panapatay ka?
Oo.
Tapos, pinari ko, kawari ka na. Tapos, maupo ka ko sa'yo.
Upo ka sa akin?
Maupo ako. Tapos,
Bakit?
kunwari, patay na ako. Tapos, nakasit lang ako.
Sa wall. Sige. Tapos, mababahil mo ang sheriff. Emerald. Sheriff. Glitch time. Glitch time.
Ako na muna.
Hindi, ako muna.
Wala.
Ako muna. Ipapakita ko sa viewers ko.
Oh.
No, nauna ka.
Ay, no.
Nauna ka.
Bro, go down. Get out.
I'll never get out.
Di ka. Paano nga pa nag-alit tapos reset?
Oh, pag lumabas ka na. di mo magawa. I know it. Maybe you won't do it.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, nagawa niya! Now,
Yeah.
now,
Wariro.
ba? Bilot na ako. Now, di na ako pwede igawin ng glitch.
Kuha ng coin.
Woo! Dahil patay ka. Pero boy ka. Bro. Sabi niya bro, tapos umiyak siya. Rahima. Hotel!
Ano tayo, men?
Ano?
Mali ba?
Mamaya muna.
Ano ng iba?
Last round.
Wala ka dyan.
Trust me, last round.
Bahala ka dyan.
Ano? Sabihin mo, sabi niya, malaro ako ng teen.
Sama mga
Malaro daw ako ng teen. Ang galing. Matago muna ako dito. I got sheriff. Stop lying, bro. Bro. Sinong merd?
Laro ko na siya. Sama mga TNZ.
Stop farting, bro.
Another one. Joke lang.
I don't care. Who's merd? In this point, who's merd? Because I'm staying right here. Oh yeah. Di ko pa na-record. Ha. Oh my god. He has a second floor now. What aim do you have? It's taking so long. Bro, it's a 7 minutes video now. I'm expecting this to be an 5 minutes video. Finally! The round ended! Bro has McDonald's Wi-Fi.
I don't know how to take code.
Funny one. End the video, guys.